everyone, welcome back to geometry. In this video, we are going to learn the relationship between radius and diameter. Look carefully at this circle. This point in the middle is called the center. A line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is called the radius. And a line segment joining 2 points on the circle and passing through the center is called the diameter. Now let us understand their relationship. The diameter is always twice the radius, that is d equal to 2r, where d is the diameter of the circle and r is the radius of the circle. If the radius is 5 centimeters, then the diameter will be 2 into 5 centimeters, that equal to 10 centimeters. And if the diameter is known, the radius will be half of the diameter, that is r equal to d by 2. So remember, diameter equal to 2 into radius and radius equal to diameter divided by 2. This relationship is one of the most important basic in circle geometry, learning geometry visually and easily. If you enjoyed this class, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more geometry classes. Thank you.